Easy to use, lightweight, makes welding easier. The new KFW handheld laser welding machine. The compact and exquisite appearance, design, and smooth lines outline the perfect fusion of industry and aesthetics. Equipped with the industry's latest filters to protect the stable output of electronic components. Comes with a variety of accessories to ensure a stable and wearing-free production process. It is light in weight and does not require complicated lifting equipment or multiple people to move it. Just one button to start the machine and instantly start a new welding experience.